From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, here are the headlines. Dangote Refinery crashes petrol prices again as importers count losses. Very dark man reacts to arrest warrant over Mercy Chinwo's case. Now the news in detail. The Dangote Refinery has reduced the price of petrol again. The price at its loading gantry has dropped from 825 naira to 815 naira per litre. This is the second time in 2 weeks that the refinery has lowered its prices. The price reduction is happening because the cost of bringing petrol into the country, known as the landing cost, has gone down. The new landing cost is 744.72 naira per litre, which is 50 naira lower than what Dangote Refinery had been selling at. Many fuel marketers are happy about the price change. They are now buying fuel directly from the Dangote Refinery instead from private depots. Because of this, depot owners have also reduced their prices to compete. Dangote Refinery is facing competition from importers who are selling petrol at even cheaper prices. Some experts believe petrol could drop further to 800 naira per litre. However, others warn that the price cut are part of a strategy to control the market. As petrol prices continue to change, many Nigerians are waiting to see how it will affect them. The hope is that prices will remain affordable while still allowing businesses to operate successfully. In other news, controversial social media personality Very Dark Man (VDM) has responded to the arrest warrant issued against him by an Abuja magistrate court. In a post on Instagram on Friday, he stated that he is not afraid of being arrested and will return to Nigeria soon. VDM, who is currently outside the country, addressed his followers in a bold statement. He also claimed that the court's decision was influenced by gospel singer Mercy Chinwo and insisted that it is focused on youth empowerment. On 13th of March 2025, a Chief Magistrate Court in Wuse Zone 6, Abuja, issued a bench warrant against VDM. He had been summoned to appear in court on March 5th but failed to do so. The case involved alleged defamatory statement VDM made about Mercy Chinwo, accusing her of misusing $345,000 related to a former record label boss, Easy T. VDM's lawyer Deji Adeyanju confirmed the arrest warrant and criticized the court's decision. With VDM promising to return to Nigeria soon, the situation remains tense. It's unclear whether he will be arrested upon arrival or if legal negotiations will take place. We will continue to monitor the story for more new developments. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.